Have you ever forgotten an Excel formula right when you need it? Maybe you know what you want to do, but you couldn't remember how is writing the formula. Now you don't have to memorize Excel formula anymore. In this video, I will show you a free AI tool that can generate almost any Excel formula just by describing what do you want in a few seconds. This can save a huge amount of time, especially if you work with Excel every day or use advanced formulas. Let's get started. First, open Excel. At the top, you will find add-ins. Search for AI tool, AI did formula editor. This AI tool is designed specifically for AI formulas. Simply describe what you want the formula to do. For example, total value from G8 to G19 or amount in G8 to G19 if at least 2000 fail or else pass. After typing your request, click generate. Within a few seconds, the AI creates the exact Excel formula you need. You don't need to understand complex syntax. You don't need to remember function names. The AI writes everything for you. Now simply copy the generated formula, select the target cell, paste the formula, press enter, and that's it. It's making Excel much easier to use. Instead of memorizing formulas, you can focus on solving problems while AI handles the complicated syntax. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials and AI tips. Thanks for watching, and let me see you in the next video.